Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Check your Android and YouTube app versions so you're not chasing a solved bug. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient glitches and immediately toggle network types, Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, to rule out routing issues. Next, force stop the YouTube app and clear its cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that commonly cause playback failures. After these steps, open YouTube and try playing a short video to see if the error persists. If playback still fails, you clear app data, which resets YouTube settings and forces a fresh configuration. Remember, you will need to sign in again, so have credentials handy. Make sure your device has at least 500 MB free. Low storage can disrupt streaming buffers. Also, go to Settings and confirm YouTube has storage and network permissions enabled, because without them, the app can't write cache or access the connection properly. Once permissions and space are fixed, relaunch YouTube and test playback. For final fixes, uninstall YouTube updates to revert to a known good version or fully reinstall the app to eliminate corrupted installation files. This often resolves stubborn playback errors. If the problem spans apps or devices, reset network settings to clear DNS, VPN, or proxy misconfigurations that block streams. Make sure your system is up to date. An outdated OS can cause incompatibility. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, perform a factory reset only after backing up data, because it reliably clears hidden system-level corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.